They want the judge to just overturn the jury's findings of fact. Of course, judges are very reluctant to do that.
Judge Andrew Shulman has denied the state's request for him to alter the jury's verdict regarding statute of limitations and if the state was negligent for hiring the alleged abusers. This comes a week and a half after plaintiff David Meehan won his civil trial against the state for the sexual and physical abuse while he was a resident at YDC. Yesterday, the state filed a motion to change the verdict, which the judge quickly denied. Not a surprise, says UNH law professor Daniel Pai.
So that was kind of a Hail Mary pass that, it did not succeed.
The state says Meehan clearly was aware of the abuse since he told his therapist about it as early as 2002. But Judge Shulman noted it took the state police's major crimes unit doing an investigation to bring all of this forward. That was in 2017, making his 2020 claim within the statute of limitations.
And in this case, the injury wasn't the sexual assaults and the rapes, but the discovery was the negligence of the supervisors. He didn't know that at the time it was happening.
As for the state's negligence, Shulman says, quote, YDC leadership either knew and didn't care or didn't care to learn the truth.
In this situation, it seems like there was an abundance of evidence, and it happens to be the case that the judge, if he were the fact finder, if there were no jury, he would have done the same thing.
Now, we did reach out to the state today. They said that yesterday's motions were just reiterating arguments already made at trial to preserve them for any possible appeals. And to be clear here, last week, the state also filed a motion asking the judge to apply the $475,000 statutory cap to that $38 million. The judge has made no ruling on that motion yet. We're live in Portsmouth. Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.